Today we are going to be making a Hawaiian. No, we're going to be making some pineapple chicken Skal burgers. So we are here on the food truck today for all great food trucking. So come over to the clean zone. All right, what we're going to do? We'll take our chicken onto our beaten paper. How many do you want? Adam, how many?
Pound them out?
Yeah.
I guess just a breast piece, or how many you want to do?
That's fine.
I mean, you can do two. I don't care. I'll eat them.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Alright, now, down we go. Then, we have a second piece right here. Now, to cover the smackage, right? So, camera can see, kind of, maybe we zoom in, who knows. What we're gonna do now, take our tenderizer. Beautiful. Look at them. Look at them. We'll probably end up doing, because these things are massive, is we'll cook these things up, and then what we'll do is we'll take them, flip them, cut them in half maybe. But yeah, anyway, so from there, that's that. Now, we'll have backup when we take that chicken out. Next, pineapple, whatever. You can cut your own pineapple if you're one of those, but sliced pineapple in a can, crack it, pour it. It is very difficult filming while recording, but it's fine. It's good. Builds character. Now, from here, what we'll do is we'll just pick them out. We'll go raw pineapple down. There's more pineapple than I needed, but I mean, I'm not gonna save it, so. We're just dusting, so a light dusting, that's all we're doing here. Oh, look at that. This atomizer is amazing. Woo. Then our pineapple, it just gets kissed and then flipped. Although we do want a light misting.
They look so good.
Huh?
They look so good.
Oh, they will be. Don't take long.
You can do it!
Come here. Ideally, you'd use your smaller spatula for this, but here we are. Look at that. Look at that. Give that about 15 seconds. We're gonna go in with a flip here on that very soon. That's it. That's it for your pineapple. Nothing to it. Fantastic. We're not going to kill this side just yet. I'm going to come in and you like toasting. Little tip for toasting, mayo toast. That's the way to do it. If you want those buns that turn heads, apply what I would call way too much. Look at that. That is not the amount that was supposed to have been applied, but you know what? It'll probably still do just fine. These are incredibly porous burgers I've never quite seen. Very interesting. All right. Need the rest of my spatulas. Got them? Do we have a plate I can grab?
You just want one of those.
Yeah, a couple plates just so I can take these off.
Yeah.
You can do it!
That right amount of char.
Damn!
Oh, so.
Toasty.
Let's go ahead. Yeah.
Cooking these things for now.
See, I like a real airy bun.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
I like my bun to almost, unless it's a pretzel bun, it's got to be like damn near non-existent. It's just there to keep where you're not touching meat, basically.
Yeah, but for a good toast.
See, I like sourdough, and it's got that big.
Too fancy. For taking the food off, but let's see. Hopefully it looks good. We'll see.